We got a fire going, a table set up, a broken chair, and 2 happy campers.
We've been alone, so turn off the world and the telephone. I need to tell you you're beautiful, 'cause it's been a while, and I apologize. I just get caught up in the rat race I'm running, chasing a moment I'm hoping is coming. If I stop to take a look around, it's in front of my eyes. Baby, let's slow down time. Maybe just press rewind. Darling, that dress reminds me of the first time. And I wanna love tonight, one-on-one by the candlelight. Over and over we spend our lives, living fast forward but not tonight. Love in slow motion. It was you and me, too many friends, too many evening drinks. Yeah, we commit to so many things, but not to ourselves. And I apologize. Sometimes you're sad and you tell me it's nothing, and I brush it off because there's always something. But I need to change my perspective and prioritize. There's one thing I know is this: every moment missed can be restored with your lips. It only takes one kiss, and I wanna love tonight, one-on-one by the candlelight. Over and over we spend our lives, living fast forward but not tonight. Love in slow motion. One-on-one by the candlelight. Over and over we spend our lives, living fast forward but not tonight. Love in slow motion. Wanna love tonight, one-on-one by the candlelight. Over and over we spend our lives, living fast forward but not tonight. Love in slow motion, in slow motion, in slow motion.
Oh my gosh.
You alright?
Yeah.
You trip?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you lying to me?
Yeah.